Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be taking a look at the data visualizations for the car evaluation dataset. Now, in the previous video, we have done the preparation and the summarization with descriptive stats. Now, we will add on, say, a text, the data visualizations. Now, the first thing that we will visualize is a count plot for all of the attributes, of course, except the class. Now, for that, we need to import a couple of classes, couple of libraries. First, we'll import Matplotlib, matplotlib, pyplot, that's ELT. Another one we will import is Seaborn as essence. Once done, we will move to visualization section, and then we will type in figure big size equals 10, now this will make sure that the output will be of the size 10, 10 rows 8 columns. Next, for I, all and number 8 calls. Now what I did here is all the columns except the last one, since we don't want to count for the last. Plot 3, 2, minus 1. It creates the number of subplots that, as its name suggests. SNS dot count plot the data, X, which will be the column, since we have subplots, so the number of count plots for each count plot. View, which is class. This should be. Then we'll do plot.show. And okay, it says list indices must be integers. Okay, no need for the comma. Okay, now it says x, so the x is small. Keeping my fingers crossed, yeah, it works. Now, this does give us 6 plots, which correspond to the 6 features, 6 attributes for the data. But if you look here, the attribute names are being overlapped, right? Not good. So let us add one more plot dot height layout. Awesome. Now these are the count plots, which means for the buying attribute, we don't have any good or very good car evaluation for any cars that are placed in very high or high segment. Same with maintenance, but here we see very good cars are available for high maintenance. That's fine. The safety. So here you see very good cars are highly safe. No questions asked. That's what can we say? So another evaluation or another metric that we can use to do sort of visual data analysis or visualizations is Y data profiling. So let me show you. Okay, so first we need to import it. Let me import it. Install -q for quiet import. We don't want logs because there'll be a bunch of logs. Y data underscore profiling. So while it installs, it to me, and believe me, these are very few logs compared to if you don't put this -q flag. Now we'll do Y data profiling import profile report. We'll run it. So after the first cell executes, the second will execute, and we will be, of course, getting a notification if there is any error. Now once done, we'll move over to our visualization section and do a data dot file report, and the report title, let's say profile report only, and the progress bar equals false. Of course, it's up to you. I'll provide you the top link in the description. You can take a look and tinker around with the multiple parameters that it offers. In short, this Y data profiling is a single command line execution, which will let us know how our data, basically do a EDA on the data. So over here it says errors, which is all of our 6 attributes are uniformly distributed, which again, if we go to our previous descriptive stats analysis, we'll see that this is 432, all of the attributes are perfectly balanced. And the same is represented here, uniformly distributed. Now, if you go to overview, you'll see the number of variables, observations, which are instances, or the rows. Missing cells, we don't have any missing cells. We don't have any duplicate rows. Okay. Size in memory and average record size in memory. Going further down, it will give us distinct, which basically means the number of values that this variable or this column supports or has seen in the training data. Very high, high, medium, and low. 4 distinct values. Distinct percentage, which basically is 0.2 out of 17 to 8 instances. Maintenance, doors, persons, luggage boot, safety, class, so on. Now, correlation. So this is a heat map for all of our categorical variables, how correlated they are. And going by the graph, you can see the safety class and the persons class are correlated. Maintenance and buying is also correlated. And then comes doors, which is slightly less correlated after luggage boot. This is a graphical representation. If you move over to table, it will show us a numerical representation for the correlation. Then we have missing values. You already saw that we don't have any missing values. And this is a sample first 10 rows and last 10 rows. Of course, there are multiple parameters via which you can tinker around with how you want to see this profiling report. So that's a brief for what we had in this video. In the next video, we will go over evaluation or evaluating some of the metrics. And before that, we also need to perform transformations, which is basically converting these categorical variables to a numerical representation so that our model can identify them. So we'll take a look at that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.